Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another review on a recent purchase, and that would be the Senville 12,000 BTU Aura, A-R-U-R, heat pump air conditioning system. And this is probably one of the best energy upgrades that I've done for my studio and office. I have a separate room that is built off of my garage, and it's about 400 to 500 square feet, and it's insulated, and up to now I've been using baseboard heaters to heat it, and I've been using a wall unit air conditioner to air condition it. So no longer relying on baseboard heaters. And one of the main reasons why I wanted to get the Senville is baseboard heaters don't allow, they work on a convection system. So to keep the room warm for 24 hours at a time, you really need to have them on all the time. Now they might cycle on and off with a thermostat, but you can't just pick up a remote or a app like you can with the Senville, turn the heat up 3, 4, 5 degrees after the, turning it down for the night, and come out into your office or your garage or whatever it is that you're using the Senville for and heat it up quickly or cool it down quickly. An example would be I turn it down to about 65 degrees during the night, and then when I get up in the morning, I hop on the Alexa app and I turn it up to 70 or maybe 71. And within not even 5 minutes or 10 minutes, the room is toasty warm. Now, one of the other things that I really like about having a heat pump system like this is how quiet it is. I'm filming right now with this running behind me, and I don't know if you can hear it, but you might hear a very low whisper. But in the summertime, when I was trying to film or work, the noise from the air conditioner was deafening. So this is a huge upgrade. Now, bunch of reasons why I chose Senville. They have a Canadian presence. They're in Mississauga, Ontario, and they know how to build a heat pump that is able to function in a cold climate. Now, a tip for you, there are two different models. There's the Lido and the Aura, and the Lido is only good until about 0 degrees or maybe a little below, whereas the Aura, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, is good until 22 below Fahrenheit and minus 30 Celsius. So in my climate, where it can get really cold in the winter, this is also going to be a great functioning unit for me as well. I was paying about $65 a month to heat and air condition on average, and a lot more in the summertime when the air conditioner was running. So the very quiet while I'm trying to film a video or work. The fact that you can use the remote control, and I'll do another video down the road outlining what you can do with it, but the fact that I can control it via an app anywhere I am, and also the remote control. Now the remote control has a really cool feature called Follow Me. So if you have a thermostat in the unit and you're 15, 20 feet away from the unit and you're sitting at a desk and you want the temperature to be more geared to that, the Follow Me feature will work off the thermostat in the remote, and that is really great. I can't stress enough the importance of installation tips for a unit like this. I had a professional help me with the installation. They did the line testing, the vacuuming, and check the overall system. I did some of the work by helping them. I had an electrician come in and do the wiring for me. I did the installation of the unit up on the wall, and I put the unit outside on a stand and got it all ready. And then my heating and air conditioning professional, a company called Merritt's Heating and Cooling in Brantford, Ontario, came and did all the final system testing, connections of the lines, the refrigerant lines, and they did a nitrogen test, and also they vacuumed the lines. Now, the importance of having all that done by a licensed contractor is twofold. Number one, if you want to have a warranty, Senville specifically specifies that those parts of the installation must be done by a licensed HVAC company. And some people would say, well, yeah, I want to do it all myself. But you know what? When it's done by a professional, they know how to do the proper tests, and they know how to do the flare fittings and the tightening and everything to the proper torque specs. And because if you over tighten or don't tighten a flare fitting enough, you could end up with leaks. And these systems run the most efficient when there are no small leaks, when the lines or the refrigerant lines are run in such a way that they're not kinked around corners. They have nice circular bends. Everything works 100% better in that situation. So you really want to, if you can, have a licensed HVAC professional come and do this for you. And lastly, you want to make sure that when you have your connections for electrical coming out of the outside of your building into the outside unit, the heat pump, you want to use liquid tight, and that is a protectant cable sheathing that you run both your control wire in and the electrical power connection in. They're sealed on both ends, which ensures that you're not going to get moisture and wet and damp affecting the electrical side of your system. And secondly, it really makes the install look a lot better when it's done in a professional manner like that. So I hope you found this useful if you're looking to buy a mini split for your garage or your home or wherever you're going to use it. I have done a lot of research on this product and installing these units. So feel free, if you have any questions, to put them in the comments, and I will answer your questions. I'm also going to put a document in the description that you can download for free, which has a lot of tips and tricks, and also a lot of what I've said today in it as well, to help you make a decision on whether you need a mini split or not. And if you can subscribe to my channel, that would be wonderful. I have a lot of great videos on a lot of different products I've reviewed, as well as a lot of other subjects that that I've researched, and DIY projects and so on that I've done in the past. And hit that like button. It's free. It helps out my channel, helps out an old guy in retirement, and that would be wonderful if you could do that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye now.